Hi everyone! So today I want to make this video because I bought this tool, this new toy, and I just wanted to open it, unbox it with you guys. So this is the Meinl Cajon pedal. Well, this is the box, but inside this is the Meinl Cajon pedal, and let's see how it looks like. This is the beater, and I will adjust that as last. So we need a drum key, which it comes with a drum key, which is neat, you know, and also has all the other adjustments you can make, you know, the key for all the parts of the cajon, which is neat. So I see, so if you need to unscrew this, you know, they give you the key for it. So you can unscrew actually each part of it. And so, let me open here. So, they give you different adjustments you can make. Okay, so when it comes in, okay, you need to unscrew this one, and by unscrewing that screw, what it does, it allows you to move the beater, to fix the beater. So as you can see, the beater is not a regular beater, it's like a beater, it's puffy, very puffy. This is how you're going to put the bottom part, and you want to leave this out, this plaque here, so you will hook up your pedal there. So here it is, I've set it up. I attached the pedal, and I just want to try how it feels. And I must say that I'm impressed, because I was not expecting it to be so responsive, and yeah, it's kind of it's kind of strange, because you just basically using this piece of metal to give action to the pedal, but it's very responsive since it's a direct drive. So that's why I chose this pedal, because even if it's just, you know, a piece of metal, it's still a direct drive, because I saw reviews of other cajons which had like the wire working like a remote hi-hat basically, if you know what that is, and they were not very responsive and people were not very happy with it. So I said, no, I'm just gonna go, I would rather go with this one. And actually it was also much cheaper. This was only like $130 compared to other cajon pedals were way more expensive, double if not even more. And let's see, let's try it. So I have a shaker, so I can do like the basic set. So I'm just gonna play a shaker and do some beats. Here we go, let's go. It is quite responsive. And the technique, of course, you have to kind of adapt a little, but I'm very happy with it. So thanks for watching. I ask you if you consider subscribing, if you wanna hit the bell so you get advice every time we upload a video. If you like this video, please like it and share it. And keep in mind, we have our Facebook community, we have which is a Facebook group, so we can grow together. You can follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. I look forward to seeing you again. Thank you. Bye bye.